All right, welcome again to another video, and we're going to be looking at I think it's day 8 or 7. Probably I'll write it probably in the title of the video. So the question says, during the weekly meeting at Nautilus, DevOps team discussed about the automation and configuration management solutions that they want to implement. While considering several options, the team has decided to go with Ansible for now due to its simple setup and minimum prerequisites. The team wanted to start testing using Ansible, so they decided to use the jump host. That's what we used in the previous video, which is the Thor server, and as an Ansible controller to test different kind of tasks on the rest of the servers. Install Ansible version 4.9.0 on the jump host using pip3 only, and make sure Ansible binary is available globally on this system. That is, all users in the system are able to run Ansible commands. So if you don't know about Ansible, and if you haven't had or used it before, Ansible basically is just a configuration management solution. You can think of like a company like Netflix. It has thousands, if not 10,000s of servers that they maybe rent out from a company like AWS. So if Netflix is using Node, it's using Python, it's using all these other programming languages on their machines, the servers have to be configured in a certain way, right? They need to have a way to manage all the configurations of their servers in terms of having like maybe startup scripts that are run when a server reloads, or when a server is turned on, or when it reloads. There are certain scripts that they need to be automatically ran. So you can have one master node which controls all these other slaves, and that's what Ansible is. And I think I've just given a very rough explanation, and it's not even like going deep into the ins and outs of Ansible. But if you want to learn, you can probably make a playbook with Ansible and do some projects and see how the software really works. And yeah, this tasks seems very simple. We have 8 minutes left, and there's a lot of ways you could install Ansible, but in this particular example, the requirement is to use pip3, right? We specify the specific version of Ansible that they wanted us to use, which is 4.9.0, right? Yeah. Slow internet. I'll probably skip some of. Okay, I think it's getting. Okay, so it's done installing. So I'm just going to check if it's global. So first, let me switch user to switch to the Thor. First, let me check the version of Ansible right now, whether it's actually installed currently. So we do have the Ansible there, and let me switch the user. Password for Thor. Okay, we have the password for Thor. probably shouldn't show the password, but anyways, just gonna check the version again. So yeah, it's installed globally. Let's complete this. All right, that's a wrap.